Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to solve first order linear differential equations. If you don't know what a linear differential equation is, you can click on this link, and I will recommend that you see that video before you see this video, so you are totally familiar with this linear. Okay, when we have a first order linear differential equation, it can always be written in this form: dx over dt plus px equals q. Here, p and q are any functions of t. So this could be sine to t, and this could be t raised to the second power, or anything, just functions of t. And when you have the equation in this form, you can solve it by using these two equations. Okay? Now I have this example here. T raised to the second power times dx over dt plus dx equals t raised to the second power. The first thing we see is that this equation is not in this form. So we have to divide the whole equation with t to the second power for making it in this form. So I will start doing that. So we have dx over dt plus dx divided by t to the second power is x over t equals 1. T to the second power divided by the same is 1. Okay, so now we have the equation in this form. So now we can use these two equations for solving this differential equation. Alright, so we start to find mu. Mu is equal to e raised to the power of the integral of p. P is, in this example, 1 over t. Okay, so now we can find mu. So we calculate. Mu equals, we keep e here, and the integral of 1 divided by t is the same as the natural logarithm of t plus c. We need the constant, but in this equation we can leave out the constant. So we can just say the natural logarithm to t here. And we can end this by saying mu equals, and e raised to the power of the natural logarithm is just this we have here, so we have t. So now we know that mu equals to t. When we know this, we can use this equation to find the final answer. So we write x equals 1 over mu. Mu is t, so 1 divided by t times the integral of mu times q. So again, mu was t times q, and q is this. So q is the thing that on the right side of the equation. So 1 dt, and we calculate. So we have x equals 1 over t, and we have the integral of t times 1. That's of course the same as the integral of t, and we know the integral of t is t to the second power divided by 2. And now it's very important that we remember the constant. So we have plus c. This gives x equals, and now we multiply into the parentheses. So we have 1 over t times t to the second power divided by 2. The t skips the t here, so we have t over 2 plus 1 over t times c is c divided by c. So this is actually the solution for this differential equation. And because we didn't have an initial condition to start with, we have a whole family of functions that satisfies this equation here, because c can have any value. Okay? So hope you could follow the calculations. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you can write some comments, and hopefully me or somebody else will answer to it. And if there was something that was hard to understand, you can watch the video again and just keep on working, and finally you will get the meaning of this. Good luck. See you next time.